The shape is pretty familiar. 11th generation Toyota Corolla? Not quite. What Toyota are doing, as they've done in the past, is they're taking the 11th generation, which is about to be replaced by a new version, and making the Quest, the budget version, the previous generation made into a new car at great value for money. You've got mag wheels. This is the top of the range exclusive version. They're now putting it in 3 spec levels, all powered by the same 1.8 4-cylinder petrol engine, putting out 103 kilowatts and 175 newton meters of torque. But it's your familiar Corolla body shell, very nice and spacious, very big inside, 4-door of course, and you come round to a very nice sized boot over here. And have a look, fit plenty of luggage in this boot. Got everything you want feature wise, 1.8 litre engine, and we're going to check it out inside in just a moment. Behind the wheel of the new Corolla Quest, which we're on the launch, the South African launch up in Johannesburg right now, you can see it's familiar Toyota territory, can I call it that? Very familiar Corolla territory. We are in the top of the range exclusive model, and I mention that again because you'll see we have things like leather trim, we have a nice large touch screen over here with all the information, everything you want, all the functions on a nice touch screen, and you have that feature over there. Toyota now have Wi-Fi in all their cars, so you get all of those things with it, cruise control, everything that you'd want in a modern car and a comfortable car. There are two, I mentioned 3 spec levels. Each of them gives you the option of either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed CVT automatic gearbox. Besides my general preference for automatics, I have to say, and this is me, I vastly preferred the drive on the CVT version. The CVT shifts are smooth, they're seamless, they're comfortable. I found that easy. But the manual version, because of the torque curve and the power outputs, the revs are a little bit higher, which you need to keep it running nicely. But I just found the automatic version much more relaxed, much more pleasant to drive in my book. So it's something you would have to check out for yourself and make a decision. But the space is there, Corolla space, at C segment at B segment price, as Toyota like to refer to it. This being the top of the range exclusive version obviously has the screen, has the leather that you will not necessarily get at the base version or the prestige version that comes in the middle. That's again where you look at what you want to spend. But the amazing thing is pricing comes from 249,900 Rand for the base manual model to 317,000 for this one we're in right now. And that seems like pretty good value to me. Toyota is Toyota. Corolla is Corolla. We all know it. Corolla Quest is the budget bargain version. So it really would be up to you to decide. But I have to tell you, this particular one we're in now, I'm impressed. For Motor Matters, I'm Eleanor, and I'll see you next time.